present to you your order, Maria Clara Sangria wine from Philippines. This wine is 750 ml and contains 10% alcohol. It is made from a blend of red wine and natural fruit extract, giving it a refreshing and slightly sweet taste. Would you like me to open the bottle for you, ma'am?
Yes.
Here is the cork, ma'am, if you like to examine it.
This is perfect.
Enjoy your wine, ma'am, and please let me know if you would like me to refill your glass later.